When you feel like something's missing, when you feel like something's gone, when you feel like something's empty, when you feel like something's gone, you hold on to each other's hands, and you don't let go, and you don't let go when you're locked up far away. Your connection will still be there every day. We will rise up again, and then till we fall deep into the ground. But that will never stop us from being each other. Saying separate will happen again, but that doesn't matter, 'cause we're together, and teamwork is the only thing. We will hold hands to the end of time, until we run around playing our game. We'll be separate, we will rise up and fall again.